No-bake gingerbread men. You only need a few ingredients and they taste amazing. In a bowl, mix 60 grams of mascarpone cheese with 80 grams of nut butter. Add 200 grams of crushed cookies. Combine the ingredients thoroughly until you get a smooth dough. Divide the dough into balls of different sizes to form the gingerbread man's body parts. The largest ball will be the torso. Place it on a skewer. Use smaller balls for the head, arms, and legs. Put the assembled figures in the freezer for about 15 minutes to firm up. Next, melt a bar of chocolate until it's smooth and creamy. Dip the dough figures into the melted chocolate, ensuring they are fully coated. Let the chocolate cool and harden for a few minutes. Finally, use a cookie decorating pen to draw eyes, a mouth, and buttons, bringing your edible creation to life. This quick dessert is perfect for the holiday table or other special occasions. It's easy to make, delicious, and guaranteed to impress. A festive one-bite snack. These Christmas trees are a must-have on your holiday table. Start by finely chopping 2 medium-sized pickled cucumbers. Then, dice about half an onion. You'll also need fresh dill for this recipe, so chop it finely as well. Next, open a can of tuna, drain it, and transfer it to a bowl. Add 1 package of cream-flavored sandwich cheese to the tuna. Then mix in the chopped cucumbers, onion, and half of the dill. Stir everything thoroughly. Keep in mind that the cheese mixture needs to be very thick to make it easy to shape. Using your hands, form small cones from the mixture to resemble Christmas trees. Coat each cone with freshly chopped dill to give it a green appearance. Use round crackers as the base, carefully placing the trees on top. Now, take some fruit. Pomegranate works best. Peel it and decorate the trees with its seeds to resemble ornaments. These snacks should be prepared fresh, ideally no more than 2 hours before your event. Your guests will surely be impressed, so make these mini cheese Christmas trees on crackers. Pine cones dusted with snow have a wonderful taste. With this recipe, you'll amaze your friends and family. To start, take 180 grams of sponge biscuits. For this recipe, you can use either long or round sponge biscuits. It's important that the biscuits are soft. Next, crumble them with your hands in a bowl. The next ingredient is mascarpone cheese. Add 3 tablespoons of mascarpone to the crumbled biscuits. Then add 2 tablespoons of dark cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of Nutella or another chocolate spread. Mix the ingredients until you get a smooth dough. Use your hands to knead the dough. When the dough is ready, take a piece and shape it in your hands into a pear-like form. Repeat this with each piece of dough. From these proportions, I made 5 large pieces. The final and most important ingredient for shaping the pine cones is chocapic-type cereal flakes. Start pressing the flakes into the dough, shaping them into pine cones. There are 2 ways to do this. The first method is pressing the flakes from top to bottom. The second method is pressing them from bottom to top. Insert the flakes one by one so that each new layer overlaps the previous one. Ensure the flakes at the top are placed vertically for a realistic pine cone look. Finally, sprinkle the prepared pine cones with powdered sugar. They look like they're dusted with snow. These treats not only impress with their appearance, resembling real pine cones, but also taste delicious. They're perfect as a dessert for cozy winter evenings. Your guests will be delighted. Surprise your loved ones with a simple and quick decoration that works perfectly as a gift or a sweet addition to the holiday table. Start by taking a rectangular piece of cellophane and arranging 5 Ferrero Rocher chocolates in a row. Roll the cellophane slowly and evenly to form a neat tube. Make sure the cellophane fits snugly around the chocolates, but isn't too tight to avoid damaging the delicate treats. Cut a few pieces of string and tie them between each chocolate, pressing gently to shape them. Ensure the string holds firmly but doesn't squash the chocolates. Trim any excess string for a clean look. Fold the ends of the cellophane upward and tie them together with string to form a circular shape. Add a small decoration, like a bauble, attaching it to the top of the wreath. Finally, use a decorative ribbon to tie a bow at the top, completing the elegant look. Done. Your festive Ferrero Rocher wreath is not only beautiful but also delicious. This decoration makes a perfect gift or a unique centerpiece for your Christmas table. A real orange candle. You must have it in your home. Start by cutting a large orange in half. Empty the inside, leaving the outer peel intact. It's important to leave the white stem in the bottom half. In the top part, make a medium-sized hole. Oranges have many uses, from the kitchen to cosmetics and everyday household tasks. Their strong scent comes from essential oils, which refresh and have antibacterial properties. Now take olive oil and pour it into the empty orange peel, leaving some space at the top. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Not only will it fill the space with a pleasant aroma, but it can also help repel mosquitoes and other insects. Once everything is ready, carefully light the white stem. It will serve as the wick. The warm candlelight and the rising scent will create a unique atmosphere. Finally, place the top half of the orange with the hole over the lit candle. The natural shade will gently diffuse the light and scent. This finished orange candle is a beautiful decoration and a practical solution in one. Create a festive centerpiece using wine glasses without spending any extra money. It's common to have leftover glasses after some break, so this project is a perfect way to reuse them. Start with a decorative or brightly colored plate as your base. You'll need 3 wine glasses for this project. Before placing them, take a thick, decorative paper, trace the glass rim to create 3 circles and cut them out. Set the circles aside for now. Fill each glass with a mix of baubles in your chosen colors and small ornaments you already have. Seal the tops of the glasses with the paper circles using hot glue, locking the decorations inside. Place the glasses upside down on the plate. For a festive touch, tie red ribbons around the stems, making charming bows. Finally, place small candles on the bases of the inverted glasses. Light the candles to create a stunning centerpiece perfect for a holiday dinner or a cozy winter evening. Enjoy the warm, festive glow that brings a magical atmosphere to your home. This drink is my favorite in winter. Few people know that spruce needles are a source of health. They support the immune system, especially when there are more upper respiratory infections in winter. A spruce needle drink can help with coughs, throat inflammation, and even bronchitis. The basis of such a beverage is clean spruce branches. You can even use branches from a Christmas tree, as long as there are still needles on them. Cut them into small pieces. Throw a few small Christmas tree twigs into a glass. Pour boiling water halfway. Let it steep for 5 minutes. After that, add dried apple slices, orange peel, and lemon. Pour boiling water again. This spruce tea tastes wonderful. It clears the respiratory tract and has antibacterial properties. You can drink it every day.